Welcome back to Emily's Kitchen. Today we'll be making corn and vegetable fritters. It is so simple and it is perfect for morning tea and afternoon tea. Let's get started. This is 150 grams of all-purpose flour. We just have to add all the ingredients here into this big bowl. Corn flour, all the veggies, turmeric powder, sugar and salt, ice cold water, mix well. If it is too dry, we add a little bit more of water. This should be the consistency of our mixture. Guys, we finished our corn and veggie fritters. So delicious. 真的超好吃，不骗你。外酥内软 It's so crispy outside and it's so soft inside. Thank you for watching Emily's Kitchen. If you like my video, please support me by pressing the button and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to share simple and delicious Asian cooking with you guys every week.